Hi everyone, welcome to Imaging Study. Today we are going to see a case of partial tear and tendinosis of the Tendo-Achilles. A 46-year-old male patient came with a history of road traffic accident. It happened around a month ago. Then he developed right ankle pain and swelling. He complained about the difficulty in walking. Let's see what we have got on ultrasound. Here you can see the high frequency ultrasound of the right tendo-Achilles. This is the distal part. You can see the tendon is thickened and hypoechoic. If you look carefully, you can see multiple echogenic foci within the tendon. These are the calcifications. Whenever you see calcifications within an injured tendon, it indicates that this is a chronic change. Here we have gone a little bit proximally. You can see this calcification over here. And here a little proximally, you can see a focal area of heterogeneous echogenicity. It's relatively hypoechoic and you can see a little bit of derangement of the muscle fibers. There is no separation of tendinous ends, which indicates that this is a partial tear of the Tendo-Achilles. If you look at the skin and subcutaneous layer, it is also thickened. To make a good comparison, we have shown you the left tendo-Achilles here, which is normal. You can see the thickness difference. The right one is thickened and heterogeneous. And at the tear site, you see this fibrillar pattern is lost. But there is no separation of the ends, indicating a partial tear. Here's a panoramic shot, and you can see the tear location over here. Here's the picture of the calcific foci, which is a feature of chronic change. Here's another view, and you can see this heterogeneously hypoechoic area with loss of fibrillar pattern of the tendon, indicating a partial tear. Here's the cross and long sections of the tendo-Achilles. You can see it is swollen and heterogeneous, and you can see calcific foci here. So in summary, the right tendo-Achilles is thickened and heterogeneously hypoechoic. Distal part shows irregularity of the fibers with echogenic foci of calcifications. Surrounding subcutaneous tissue is edematous. So this features concluded as a case of partial tear with tendinosis of the right tendo-Achilles. According to Kuwada classification, this is a type 1 tendo-Achilles tear. Now the take-home message. Whenever we get a tendo-Achilles tear, we go for the Kuwada classification commonly. This helps manage the patient accordingly. In case of type 1, you'll see the partial rupture of the tendon where you give the conservative management. In type 2, there will be a complete rupture with a tendinous gap up to 3 cm. This is usually treated with end-to-end anastomosis. In type 3, there will be a tendinous gap of about 3 to 6 cm where you will need tendon or synthetic graft to manage the patient. When the gap is more than 6 cm, we go for the type 4. Here we need tendon or synthetic graft and gastrocnemius resection also. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and try to follow us on other social platforms. See you on the next one. Have a nice day.